Okay. Oh, hey.
Hey guys, this is Pastor Teresa. She took me here to White House, guys. I'm so excited. Can you imagine?
I know,
This
right?
pretty lady. Oh my God. Her heart is so tender.
Oh, boy.
Auntie Pingy, the pin pin me. Pin me. Yes. Where are these guys? Please come out. Oh boy.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Huh? Are you wearing my gloves? No, scarf. No scarf.
No.
Ah, Tyra.
No. I don't need gloves. I don't need scarf. It will mess my... Because look, the color is not here. Oh my God, guys, I have a meeting. Kuno go cross wachero. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh my God. Hello, guys. How are you doing? Me, I'm exquisite. Auntie Pingy.
Yes, girl.
Girl, what you saying? Good morning. How are you doing? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, good morning, guys. Vari ku Zimbabwe masikwena se? Auntie Pingy,
Yes, dear.
are you sure we're gonna see Trump?
We might.
Yeah, our
I
meeting
think
is
he
for
might come
10:30.
out and wave.
Our meeting is for 10:30, Tyra.
We have a meeting at 10:30.
Yeah.
Auntie Pinky,
Yes, dear.
what's up? Auntie Pinky ndipe bhachi roro ndira kusileya kana mana. Aiwa, torai.
Yeah, but you look better. Like, but no, Tyra.
Ridiculous. Tonzai. Oh, no, ndide mpere nyu bhachi. Ndoda kubuda nebhachi rakanaka. Oish. Oh, no. Ayo. Torai. Ndipe bhachi rakanaka. No. Aiwa, torai ka track suit ke ndanzwa kungoramba chingobuda nako ka track suit kaka. Ndoda kubuda nezvimwe zvinhu zvinyowani. Pa Facebook ndipe kubuda nezvinhu zvakangosiyana siyana ehezvi. Fe. Ndokuti munhu ari kuAmerica night. Oh my God. Why is it not clear, man? Because network kuno kwa President Trump aite. They don't want people to go live on Facebook. So, hello. 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 Hello? Guys, stop telling me that network is bad, please. I don't know what is happening. Network is so poor, guys. Kwanza, naye Auntie Pinky. Auntie Pinky. Hasi nyaya yekuti kuku-state house ndisaka network kunetsa.
I think so.
Because they don't like people to go live on Facebook. But anyway, I'm a socialite. I'm a socialite. I have to tell you what is happening. Iri batch rangu, guys. This is my batch. Calm down, Tyra. Be your normal self. Enjoy your visit. You boy, will you nisi much? Hell no. What are you talking about? I'll shout at you. Honestly, I'm telling you, I'll shout at you. Don't do that to me, otherwise you'll be in for it. Oh my God. Auntie Pinky, well, you guys, what are you doing? Oh my God, no, I'm not showing. You're not showing. So guys, because my network is poor, so I'm just gonna cut this live ndakukata this video, but I'm here Lipa White House. Ndakukata video because the network is so poor. I think I've actually in my life. I'm not. Hi, more fellas watching. Oh my God. Say hi, Kuna Trump. Oh yeah, Trump is good. So guys, look at that. White House. This is the state. Guys, unaipamba pa Trump hapo ndo paanogara Auntie Pinky, ndo paanogara saka atorime izvozvo ende murume yako mani nemhanza yake arimemo. So guys, this is the state house. You see, these are other foreigners. No, you're not in my video. Ndoda kunomira kune varungu mukati mune varungu. Buatadze varungu.